boy, you know, say, me there, me a look pan, me see Colors do a song where the intro, I wanna Colors haters. One of them biggest haters right now. But the intro I say, from him see Colors, him know say him not normal, and him know say Colors is a good person, or whatever. The intro of the song make you wonder what could have really cause him if he turn against somebody when he look up to so much like that, and why you just get up and start talk a bag of things about him, a whole heap of bad things, and this was somebody who you actually was talking so good about, and it really kind of concerned me a little way. That's me really say, you know what, me I go say something about it. Me not really to get involved, you know, but me I say what me have to say, cause everybody have a voice, everybody can voice them opinion, and me I voice my own. Because back then he was a good person to you, so what gone wrong? What really happened make you turn against him so much and dislike him or hate him so much or against him so much? What could he have done so much, so bad that you hate him this much now? And you guys used to be good. I am a little confused at what is happening. I know people and people can be good and then something go down and them not like each other more. Them not talk no more. Them no want have nothing to do with each other no more. But sometimes people and people have disagreement, and you know, because of how you and the person did good and the good things that we used to happen before, move on, just leave it alone and move on and just know say so it look at this name life. Things do happen. But when you just depend the person, so day in, day out, almost every topic where you come up with the person, it kind of give me a little mixed reaction, mixed feeling that why or where this is actually coming from, and it is just you know, it giving me one little feeling, one little thing for you think about. But me not really know what go down. Me not really understand it, but it just stay one little way, you know, and it kind of concerning still. It kind of concerning. But we see Colors come out with him little song, you know, and he might go and do him thing and express himself in him song, and I just saw it thing set, you know. But man, look here, what we need to do as people, when people good and things happen, you know, have to get up and bash the person and drag the person day in, day out. Things happen, we just move on and leave it as it is. But some of us are not like that. Some of us, we just hold on to grudges. We just hang on pan it like a something good, and we hate the person, and we just have a lot of stuff to say, and we just get up every day upon the same things over and over again. We need to learn to move on from things. If somebody says something, they did not touch you. If somebody do something and them not touch you, it not harm your family, you can move on. People are gonna say things, people are gonna do things. And sometimes some words bore your skin like a knife. But we have to be mindful that things are gonna happen and we have to move on from there. I have had disagreements with people who me close to, people who me love deeply, but I move on. Yes, it was hard, it wasn't easy, and I had to take it with a grain of salt and just say, you know what, I need to move on from here, and I'm not going to hold on upon this, even though I'm not speaking to the people that I have to keep at arm's length or take some distance away from. But me not gonna get up and have them up and get up and them name every day. Me not gonna get up and just keep every move me make, every video me make, or every other video me make, me talk about them. I move on. things are gonna happen and people are gonna feel hurt and you are gonna express yourself and you are gonna talk about it because we are all human beings. Yeah, we do talk about it, but at the end of the day, me try if use the good of the person, if you try cover up the little ways them they have, because the whole of we have ways, you know, when you check it out, you know, the whole of we have with dirty bad ways them. You understand? Some people ways better than some, and but a life it name all of we have ways. None of we not perfect. Only person we walk the earth we perfect are God Himself, Jesus Christ Himself. We walk the earth, yeah, we're perfect. We're not perfect, but we need for him. We need to let go of some grudges, man, and let go of some things, man. And when things happen or things said, we have to try to learn how to deal with it and move on from there. And some of the time, you know, sometimes the people them not doing nothing, you know. Some of the time people not doing nothing, man, or doing nothing, man, or just hold on pan some things, or not hear something about that somebody there, or hear one or two somebody say something about the person, and we just take it up and run with it and have up the person and hate the person also, even though the person not doing nothing. And me not think that's a good thing where we get up and do, because sometimes we judge people wrongfully because one next somebody have a problem with that individual, and it's not a good thing to do. It's not. It's really not. But Colors, just go and big up yourself and just do what you have to do. Stay focused and just go and do you. Continue being you. At the end of the day in this life, if you do good, people is gonna talk and talk a lot of stuff. If you do bad, that worse are going to make them talk. Even if you make a simple mistake, as you have seen, one simple little error, and they use it to beat you the worst way and drag you the worst way ever possible. So you just have to just continue being you. Continue being the good person you are, regardless of what other people might have to say, and just move along with it. You understand? This is life. This is how life goes. This is how people go, and we are typical people. You understand? So I just want them something there, but just continue doing you. Continue being who you are, representing for the people who you want to represent, for people who you want to help, and just move along, honey. Because no matter what you do, it still remains the same. Today people love you, tomorrow they hate you. Tomorrow they hate you, then the same people turn around and love you again. And mouth cut cross way to say anything at all. And that's just it. The same mouth that says no today, come back tomorrow and say yes. And don't make because of nobody, you change from being you and just continue being you. Alright, if you are my subscriber, you know, go and bless up on yourself and big up on yourself, and know say this is just life. Have a blessed day here.